Today marks the 379th historic anniversary of Ulaanbaatar City. Foundation of present Ulaanbaatar City was laid by enthroning Undergigeng Zanbazar in 1639 on the bank of Lake Shiretzagang and establishing his residence. The city was settled in the present location in 1778 after changing its location for 29 times. The first constitution of Mongolia in 1924 officially named the capital city of Mongolia as Ulaanbaatar. On the occasion of the anniversary, Garuda 2018 ceremony was held to announce the best organizations that made valuable contribution to the development of the capital city. Circle K International Convenience Store was selected as the best franchising. Bid & Bid LLC and Shinseongguk Department Store were selected as the best construction, whereas the Mongol Basalt LLC was selected as the best plant that introduced advanced technologies. Urban Brand by Denimon LLC as the best branding and the Embassy of China as the best in other road and infrastructure sector. A ceremony to pay tribute to the memorial monument where foundation of Ulaanbaatar City laid took place today, marking the anniversary of the capital city. 6 police officers who are getting married today also paid tribute to the armorial monument of the capital city. Moreover, a armorial flag raising ceremony of the capital city was held at the 32nd Army Unit.